So dear all, in this session we will discuss about some more aspects of prompt engineering, that is how to get effective content from AI chatbots, not only in text format, paragraph format, how to generate content in form of images, videos, presentations in multiple file formats. As in previous session, we have discussed that at backend of every AI chatbot, there are large language models, LLMs, Llama, OLama, so different terms you might have gone through. And the way we interact with large language models, that is known as prompt engineering. So by which way we can write effective prompt, by which way we can generate content of different types. So I'm coming to ChatGPT. So different applications we will use within ChatGPT, how to work with different scenarios. Everybody knows that ChatGPT can be used to generate text data. It is generally used for natural language processing. So as we have seen previously, if we want to generate some paragraph, we want to generate some new content, some unique content, we can do it. We can give a prompt and it will give that specific content. Now if you want to generate a particular image, okay, for example, generate a flow chart. I want to generate a flow chart for my presentation, for my research paper, for my article. So we were discussing that how to generate different type of content, multimedia content. Multimedia means images, graphs, flow charts. So in ChatGPT, you might have seen that if I want to generate a graph, if I want to generate a flow chart, for my presentation. So I have written this prompt, generate a flowchart, and you can see generate a flowchart on process of e-commerce portal accessed by a user. Okay, anything. For example, I want to generate a flowchart or ER diagram for some process, CPM part, some civil engineering process, some automobile engineering process. So it will generate me this type of diagram, dotted diagram, this dotted diagram. Obviously, this type of diagram is not acceptable anywhere. If I will use this diagram, if I will take screenshot of this diagram and I will put it in my presentation, it will look very unprofessional. Okay, unprofessional as well as very casual diagram. Now, how to create professional diagrams using ChatGPT or AI chatbots. So what I will do, I will change this prompt. Now I am coming again to ChatGPT prompt and I will write here different type of prompt. Okay. First of all, I will take same prompt, same type of process. Okay. So here process of e-commerce portal accessed by user. So all of these things I have given in this presentation also, by which way you will be able to use it. Okay. Each and every screenshot. For example, now I am coming here at bottom. Now see this very carefully. What I am writing. Generate a mermaid script for colon this. Now I'm not asking ChatGPT to generate a diagram. I'm asking ChatGPT to generate mermaid script. the way a user interact with a specific application, or generate a mermaid script for example, automobile engineering process, including assembly line. Enter. Now it will not give me dotted diagram. It will give me mermaid script. This is mermaid script. Whether you are from electrical engineering, mechanical, automobile, now it is giving me this diagram. Is this visible to all of you? This is mermaid markdown. Is this visible to all participants? Now see this very carefully what I am doing here. What I will do, see this very carefully. It is giving me script copy code. Okay, copy code. I will copy this code.
13 से शुरू हुआ है रुपीज
I will open this website, mermaid.live. Dear participants, now mermaid.live website will open. Whatever code I have copied, whatever script I have copied from chat gpt, I will paste here. And at right hand side you can see this flowchart is generated, and this flowchart is plagiarism free, and it is quite professional. You can see that this diagram is quite professional and plagiarism free. You can see that at right hand side. If I want to view it in full screen mode, this is full screen diagram. I can use this diagram, I can put this diagram in PowerPoint presentation, in research paper, or anywhere. Is this visible to all of you? Are you getting? Now I'm repeating this process. See this very carefully. See this process. Now I'm on chat gpt. I want to generate a flow chart for some process. Okay, so new prompt I am taking. Generate a mermaid script for. I'm not asking ChatGPT to generate diagram. I'm not telling ChatGPT to generate image. I'm telling ChatGPT to generate mermaid script for which process? For example, I'm taking any process you can take. User, the way user access e-commerce portal. Okay, if I'm writing some article, if I'm writing some content, this way. Copy code. Mermaid script will be generated. I will copy code. I will paste this code in left hand side panel of that mermaid.live. Now you can see this user. So in full screen mode, I can check it. In full screen mode, this diagram will be available. If I want to plot this diagram in tree format, mermaid script for this. Any other process? Types of cloud platforms or types of blockchain. If I'm creating one presentation on blockchain, if I'm creating one presentation on quantum computing, copy code, paste in mermaid.live. Now you can see this diagram, plagiarism free diagram is generated. So you can see blockchain, public blockchain, private blockchain, privileged blockchain, and consortium blockchain. So now this diagram I can download, and so you can see I can download it, and I can use it in my research paper, in my manual, in my any document. Okay, so which theme, if I want to change the theme, for example this theme I want to use. Okay, multiple themes are available, and this diagram is quite professional. And how much it is looking difficult, any process you can tell, any process you can tell. Okay, for example I want to create mermaid script for types of civil engineering processes. Okay, key processes in civil engineering. Key processes in civil engineering. Copy code, paste, and so you can see surveying, design, permitting. So participants who are from civil engineering, they will know, they are knowing better about it, whether it is correct or not. And I can download it. So you can see save to mermaid chart. I can put it in full screen mode. I can take its screenshot and it can be taken to any document. Yes, mind map of PCB design. Okay, anything you can take. Mind map of PCB design. So you will know better. You will know better because you are from this domain. Copy code and paste. Okay. Now you can verify whether it is correct or not because you are from this particular domain. PCB design, component layout, routing, testing, then registers, capacitors. Is this correct or not? Kindly confirm whether it is correct or not. PCB design mind map. So you can see how much it is easy. Otherwise, what we do in general, what we do in general, we copy mind map of this particular text in Google. We check for Google images, and after taking image from Google images, we try to Photoshop it. Try to Photoshop means changing brightness, changing contrast, resize, and after that we feel happy, we feel satisfied that now this image is plagiarism free. Okay, in most of the time we do it. Okay, so as we were saying that earlier also we were doing all these things via Google Devta. Current now nowadays we are doing it via AI. Okay, but things are same. Only methodology is changed, and so many other types. For example, I want to generate a particular diagram piece of this plant UML diagram. Okay, plant UML diagram. You can see, and I want to generate a diagram, and in that particular diagram, we want to put in plant UML. So you can see that this one, where we want to put it in sequence diagram. Okay, either we can put here or we can put in sequence diagram. Sequence diagram.org. If I want to generate a sequence diagram, you can see that sequence diagram we have generated. Now for same thing, I want to generate. Okay, please generate. So in new prompt I'm typing, please generate a sequence diagram or generate a sequence diagram in plant UML syntax to explain mind map of PCB. Okay, I'm checking whether it is same or not. Mind map of the PCB design. Okay, I'm copying your content which one participant has sent, whether it will generate it correctly or not. Sequence diagram in plant UML syntax. Now I want to use it in my document, in my article. Copy code. I will open this website sequencediagram.org, paste. Now you will verify whether it is correct or not. And it is completely free and open source. Even I can delete something. If I want to delete this schematic diagram, if I want to delete this PCB layout, is this correct or not? Yes, block diagram of any electronic device, anything. Simply some participants can give their message. You can send your process which you think that it is very difficult. If any participant think, if you think that something is very difficult, simply send in chat window. I will try to generate it. We will see whether it will generate correct or not. Okay.
Is it possible any heat map, sir, by using this?
Yes, please give me and
Yeah,
heat map.
can I send me data, sir?
Simply create a sequence diagram or a plant UML or sequence or any heat map. Even any data can also be modified. So you can see now I will show you some data interpretation also. So for example, CPM part. Okay, so just randomly I'm typing something CPM part in process management or some financial topic I'm taking portfolio management, including stocks and mutual funds. Okay, and gold. For example, I'm writing a very classical article on this thing, portfolio management or financial management or fund management. So it has generated one diagram. So I want to take only this code, copy code and paste. Now you can see that this is very unique diagram, plagiarism free, and you can see here that I can download it to Google Drive, OneDrive, file system I can download. So this one. So how much it is easy, you can see that to work with diagram generation, which is not possible directly. Can we generate Garber file of PCB? Yes, that is also possible using ChatGPT 4o. You can take. Okay, if you want to download it, simply settings, Google Drive, download, web storage, OneDrive. So in file system, you can download it. Okay, if you want to take its screenshot, if you want to put it in full screen mode, you can do it. Okay, if you want to save it in Google Drive, at right hand side you can see all options available. Okay, so all of these I have given in this presentation. So I will share this PPT to all of you. So how to write, which website to open. In same way, for example, I want to generate diagram, connected diagram of this type. So what I will do, this is different type of platform. For example, graph with syntax or dot language for different types of cloud platforms. Okay, to generate diagram I will open this website, dreampuff.github. Dreampuff. Okay, now it is generating that detailed diagram. So if I want to generate a detailed connected diagram, I will write graph with syntax or dot language, copy code, paste here, and you will see that at right hand side it is generated. If I want to download it, you can see it will be downloaded in SVG format. I want to download in PNG format, JSON format. In same, if I want to download different types of PCB in electronics, okay, so you will verify whether it is correct or not. GraphViz, so it will generate in dot language. So once it is generated, I will copy it and I will paste in DreamPuff. So it is generated now. Now copy code. Now this is website DreamPuff. Paste, and now you will see whether it is correct or not. I want to download it in PNG format. You can see now this one. Is it correct or not? Kindly confirm whether it is correct or not. So you can see this one is the diagram which I have taken. Quite professional and in 0% plagiarism. We can use it in research paper, in presentations, in documents. In same way, So all of these links I will give to you so that you can work. Okay, different, okay, research methodology for research dissertation. So we are interested only in script part. Whatever is generated above and below, we are not interested in that. We are interested in only this part. Copy and paste. Now you will see it is generated. If I want to generate it in tree format or in hierarchical format, we can do it. So these links you can explore. It is given in this presentation. Sequence diagram, mermaid.live. In mermaid.live, lots of other options available. No, not only this one, not only for particular domain. There is one query that these are for engineering purposes. These tools are for every domain, whether you are from management or commerce or any domain. Okay, for example, you want to generate ER diagram, Gantt chart, you want to generate class diagram, pie plot, J- and this one, user journey. Okay, so we should not think that these are only for engineering domain. Now I will show you some demonstrations related to common segment. For example, so new prompt I am taking. Recent news updates. Okay, year-wise news updates on AI market. Okay, just randomly I'm taking some data. Now you can see that it is generating. I'm writing something about artificial intelligence, news updates. So everybody knows that it is very easy to write. Okay, anybody can write it that I need this particular data. Okay, recent year-wise data on AI marketplace. I don't need this data in this format. I need this data in a particular format. Transform above all in tabular format. This is known as prompt engineering. Okay. Any so it is generating now. If I from a written text, if I want to generate, if I want to convert data in tabular format from, so what I'm covering, using paragraph format data. From paragraph format data, if I want to transform to tabular data, so we are discussing about that part. So this is this is paragraph format data. Now you will see how to convert it in transformed it in tabular data. So simply write here convert above in tabular format. It will be generated. Actually, I am using free variant of ChatGPT, and its limit is maybe exceeding. So I'm also using free variant. I'm not using a paid version of ChatGPT. With only free variant, we can work. So with some recent data sets. So I'm deleting some historical chat messages. And simply you can write here in your system you can convert above in tabular format. So it will be converted to tabular format. And from a tabular data, if you want to derive interpretation, for example, I am having a particular tabular data set. Okay, table, for example, table comparison. So some random table I will take from internet so that you will be able to see. For example, this one. If you have a particular table, a tabular data in Excel sheet format, and you want to write a detailed explanation of that specific table. For example, this table I have taken from internet. It is directly taken. Okay, this one is copied from internet. I want to rewrite this table in a different format along with its description. So you can see that it is generating a new table. New table. If I will copy this table directly, it will be in 100% plagiarism. But what, which type of prompt I have given to transform this table in multiple formats. So you can see that single table is fragmented to multiple tables, and each and every table is unique. Each and every table is giving unique content. Actual table is this single table. And chat GPT is doing with free chat GPT variant, it is giving multiple tables. So you can see that how much it is easy to create content from existing content. Single content can be transformed to multiple contents. For example, this content, okay, I want to write 4 to 5 lines about this content. Okay, describe or fragment table. Now you can see that detailed explanation, because in research documents, in research articles, we have to explain tabular data also. So you can see this one, whether it is related to fragmentation of table to multiple tables or explanation of single table. As far as one query explain table part, so simply copy and paste any table, whatever table you have created, copy and paste in chat GPT and write prompt explain or fragment this table. Now, dear participants, we are covering another tool for creating multimedia content, that is Gemini. When we started this session, today's sessions, we started with a particular discussion with a particular point that as soon as ChatGPT was released, there was very close competition in different corporate giants. And you also might have gone through news that with the release of ChatGPT by OpenAI, ego level of many corporate giants hurt, specifically Google, because Google is you can say emperor. Google is the king from last more than 2 decades, and a new company, they released something that has uh, taken down many corporate giants. So instantly, with the release of ChatGPT, Google released its software Bard. Nowadays, you might have seen that few days ago, ChatGPT 4.0 was released. Instantly, Google Gemini is released with new updations. And I don't know whether you have worked on Gemini or not, but it is more powerful than ChatGPT. Enormous features. The features which are available in ChatGPT in paid mode, these features are available in Gemini in free variant. In case of ChatGPT 4.0, in case of ChatGPT recent updates, they are giving everything in paid around 2000 rupees per month subscription. But Gemini is giving free edition also, trial version also. Okay, lots of things are available in Gemini which are very powerful. For example, I want to generate a diagram. I want to generate a diagram or image without using mermaid script. I'm repeating this point. Without using mermaid script or sequence diagram script, I want straightforward diagram. So you can see generate and show image of. For example, I want to generate. I'm writing something about KYC process in banking or financial institutions. Know your customer KYC process in finance with biometric. Okay, I am defining my process. This is the prompt. In Google Gemini, I am writing directly to generate and show image of KYC process in finance with biometric and it will give me plagiarism free image. So you can see that this image, whatever will be generated, it will be completely plagiarism free. Any other process? KYC process. You can test in your systems because in routine I keep on generating so many images, so many experiments, so there may be some delay. Okay, generate and show image of. In gemini.google.com, simply you can write and new images will be generated. In free variants, there are some limits. So you can see that these are the images. And each and every image is plagiarism free. If I want to use it in my presentation, in my article, I can use. So for example, this image is looking professional. Click download. If I'm not satisfied with these images, generate more. Now some more images I will generate. Now generate and show image of, for example, I want to e-governance with e-governance with uh, blockchain. Now we will see whether it will generate or not. Now you can see that it is generating and it is giving some message. Again, we can change it. So you can keep on generating the content via Google Gemini rather than taking images from Google Images and after that we go for photoshopping or we go for changing contrast or brightness or anything else. Of automobile engineering. In parallel to this, there is platform Dale Open AI. So I'm opening. So you can see it has generated images of automobile engineering. So this one, each and every image is unique. Generate more. I want to generate more images for presentations, for anything else. So simply generate and show image of whatever you want. Okay, image of, for example, I want to generate image e-learning. Okay. So we'll see whether it will be able to generate plagiarism-free unique images of e-learning or not. E-learning. So we can change it, we can modify it, or we can use Dale, Dale software. Okay, you can generate content, for example, generate, okay, news update, okay, or recent news updates on e-learning with some data. Not only for images, Gemini can be used for creation of content similar to ChatGPT. Now convert above in tabular format. If I want to use it in tabular format rather than in paragraph format, because you might have seen that in research papers we should be having mixture of images, tables, graph, and text. If everything will be in text, you know that it will not be impressive. So first of all, what I have done, I have generated the content related to e-learning, and I don't need to I don't want to copy paste this data in my paper, in my presentation. I want to convert, I want to use it in tabular format. So you can see, simply I have written generate or convert above in tabular format. Now it is quite impressive. Export to Excel sheet. Okay, is it in same way? Recent news and data related to AI chatbots and its impact on job market and employment. Okay, so now I want to convert it in tabular format. Convert above in tabular. Now you might have seen that, now you can see that what is need of human expert, what is need of data scientist, and you might have experienced, you might have seen that from last 4 to 5 months there are very less or minimum or negligible advertisements of courses related to data scientists. Earlier on TV, we were watching so many news of so many advertisements of Udemy, Coursera, that I'm doing this course of data scientist, and there is huge scope of earning. Now, what is use of data scientist? What is the scope of data analyst? Each and everything is going on in Gemini. Each and everything is going on in Chat GPT. Export to sheet. I can upload an Excel sheet and I can ask, okay, I need fifth largest record from every fifth column or every sixth column. It will do it. What is need of data scientist? If I want to generate SQL query, okay, generate SQL query for every fifth record from every 10th column in in a table of 10,000 records. So human expert will take some time, but Chat GPT will do it. So if same thing I can perform in Chat GPT, chat.openai.com. Each and everything is going on. You can see that it is giving me. So what is need of human expert? What is need of human data scientist? What is need of human database processor? If I want to write a particular code in Java, in C++, in HTML, so you can see that instantly human expert or human programmer will take time. For example, we are given this task that you have to generate SQL query for every fifth record, every this one. So first of all, we will take paper and pen, we will create algorithm, we will try to do some homework, okay, whether it will be possible or not. But it is doing everything, generate SQL query fifth for every fifth record in a sheet, or generate Excel formula for every fifth record in Excel sheet. Or if I want to write a macro, so you can see that simply copy and paste. So I'm explaining these points just for your knowledge, not to frighten you, not to create panic. Okay. However, these things are panicful. Okay, we also get frightened. We also get very much worried. What will happen in future, or what will be the scope? Okay. So if I show you some data, so you can see this one is very recent news. Okay, so it is just for your knowledge. It is not to tell you that whether we should guide our students to move to IITs or not. So you can see Chat GPT effect: 7,000 IIT students still jobless. Institutes are sending messages to alumni for their placement. So this is the level of IITs with Chat GPT. You can imagine what will happen to other engineering colleges. Even IIMs, IIM graduates, IIM postgraduates, they are also jobless. If you are aware with recent news that IIT topper, first rank, that person did not join IIT. That topper moved to USA. First rank holder of IIT did not join IIT. So we are not saying that it is good or bad or ethical or unethical. It is a matter of discussion. It is a matter of debate. It may be a matter of controversy. It may be looking very panicful, but this is the truth, and it is the news from Times of India. You can see Economic Times. It is not a local newspaper. Is this visible to all participants? Kindly confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so You can see that I'm showing you these statistics, these data, which are very, very dangerous, and lots of jobs are getting killed every day because of AI chatbots. Still, we have to see, we have to survive in this market. Okay, so for example, this one is my data. Okay, I want to explain. We can explain now. I am showing you very quickly because very less time is left. Some platforms related to presentation, how to create presentation. Okay, so many platforms. Slides go, and not only slides go, thousands of platforms. You will get afraid that what is going on in our surrounding. Create presentations, create YouTube. If you are YouTuber, or you are planning to do or you are planning to move to video uploading, then how much it is easy. Just a minute. Okay, so which type of presentation I want to create? I want to create some presentations. Create presentation, YouTube video. Okay, AI presentation maker. Simply take your template, any template you can take. I want to create a presentation on impact of COVID. Multi-dimensional impact of COVID. Writing type: fun, creative, casual, or professional. Professional. In which language I want to create presentation? How many slides? Okay, 5 slides are sufficient. Otherwise, it will take lots of time. Okay, so create. 5 slides and generate. Now you can see that I am not giving any content. I am not giving anything. I am not giving slide wise content. I am giving only topic. Only topic I have given. Multi-dimensional impact of COVID. Okay. Generate presentation. 6. It is asking that minimum 6 slides should be there. Generate presentation. So you can search for free presentation, AI presentation makers. In few seconds, you will get presentations, very professional presentations. Simply give title and it will generate the content. So you can see that first of all, it has changed the title, unraveling the multidimensional impact of this. Now in second slide, this third slide, you can see that images are also created automatically. I have not given any mask. I have not given these images. In presentation mode, it will be in full screen. So you can see that this one, it will generate. So this one is thanks. I can put my content. This one is conclusion. Okay. This one, this one. So in presentation mode, you can see.
Dr. Gaurav,
Yes, sir.
these are very generalized presentation. Can we generate some very specific presentations also?
Yes, sir, definitely. So you can see that at left hand side, it is giving us the
Like
two.
I have sent a, title, probable title. Can we generate something like this?
Yeah,
Because
yes, sir. Yes,
I'm
sir.
not able to generate. Can you
Yes,
please
sir, you
generate
can.
on this? Try on this.
Yes, sir. You can generate for this one. and lots of other tools available. So multiple tools we can try. Okay. For example, ID3 algorithm or this one. So once a layout is generated, once a draft is generated, we can customize it, we can put our content, but but for a quick demonstration, for quick implementation, it will be available. For example, you have to present some data, you have to present some content quickly somewhere, you can do it. So you can see that this one, second slide.
But I'm not able to do, like, do we have to log in some other way? I tried doing this with the same title,
No, no,
but
sir. Simply, you can see that I have logged in with my Gmail account.
okay, so we have to log in using Gmail account.
Yes, sir. With Gmail account, we can log in. You can see that. Is this visible, sir?
Yes, yes.
So you can see that uh, without taking anything, without copying anything from Wikipedia. So even it is giving optimization, fine tuning, handling overfitting, underfitting. So we have not given anywhere that we should include our underfitting, overfitting. For quick demonstration, we can use it.
But even after that, it is not like I cannot use this PPT in my class because it is not detailing of the algorithm. There is no
Yes, sir.
detail.
It is giving generic. So what we can do actually by default, I have given only 8 slides. I can give 20 slides, 40 slides. In that case, it will fetch data from internet related to this topic, and it will generate more number of slides. And
Okay.
even in that case also we can put our content. But at least very quickly we will be ready with our content. So by default 8 slides we have generated. If I want to generate more, then we can put here. So you can see that this one, leave page. And not only this, you can explore so many other, for example this one. So number of slides, if I write here for example 109 slides, 109 slides, so it will generate, it will take content from internet, it will take content from large language model, and it will give you that particular content. Okay, so each and everything is available here. So in this presentation everything you will get. And very one more platform I'm covering here for your uh, exploration. Typeset.io, artificial intelligence based search engine, AI based search engine, typeset.io. So you can see, do hours of work in minutes, do hours worth of reading in minutes. As in very first session we have discussed about chat PDF. In that we have uploaded one PDF, we have asked some questions. Here we can give one topic, and depending upon that particular topic, automatically tabular literature review will be generated. If I want to generate tabular literature review from my PDF, I can upload. Okay, so very quickly I'm covering here. For example, uh, convolutional neural networks in medical and health sciences. So what we do in tabular literature review, what we identify. So what I need, TLDR, I need conclusion, I need summarized abstract, I want to use methods abstract. So I'm clicking on these links. Limitations also I need. So I'm clicking on all of these. Okay, contributions, practical implications. Okay, only this part, it is sufficient. Now papers are extracted along with tabular literature review. You can see that. Very first paper related to convolutional neural network in medical applications. Insight. What is inside in this paper? TLDR. TLDR means too long did not read. It means summary it will give. This is summary. Conclusion. What is conclusion in this paper? What is summarized abstract? Which methods are used in this paper? Corresponding to each paper, these are given. Limitations, contributions, now export in CSV, Excel, BibTeX, XML or RIS format. If I want to export it, I can export and it will be available in Excel sheet format. Now in same way, LSTM and GRU or LSTM and time series forecasting. So those papers related to LSTM with related to, in relation to time series based forecasting. Insights. What is in conclusion in this paper? So you can see summarized abstract, methods used. What is limitation in this paper? So all of these things we have to write in paper. And once it is extracted, export, simply click on export. If I want to upload my own PDF, I don't want to take AI based search engine. I want to generate these content from my own PDF. Okay, so typeset.io, I can upload from PDF. So you can see extract data, upload PDF. Which PDF I want to upload? This. So you can see that from that specific PDF. In same way, TLDR, conclusion, summarized abstract, method used, literature review, contributions, everything will be extracted. If I want to take conclusions, any participant who wish to
Yes, sir.
communicate? Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir. The session was very informative, sir, and we are and hands-on training in the same way. When you are presenting, we were trying to work upon the same and try to and find there are several aspects which are very beneficial for formulating and generating new things in the research. And
Yes, sir.
secondly, there are several schematic and line diagrams are given by this AI tool, these AI tools. And if we try to focus upon the actual diagram, then the diagram was given by the tool is like mighty diagram, which is not acceptable in any good research journal, I saw.
Yes, sir. Actually, all of these tools are under development, and very frequently these are getting updated.
Yeah.
So, still people are using it, and it is a matter of discussion to how much extent these will be acceptable. And
And one more suggestion from my sides to the young budding scholars, if as a participant here, whenever you are trying to use these AI for any research purpose or any publication purpose, you should first try to confirm the data, graphs, and the things that were given by AI tools before presenting to any open platform in the science community.
yes, sir.
This is my advice as I'm associate professor here. So I'm working in the biological research since last more than 15 years as a teacher and researcher.
Yes.
And I'm also using these AI tools for the improvement and updation of the skills in my institute. So very good and informative session. I wish to congratulate and compliment to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Any other participant who wish to communicate? Any query? Any suggestion?
Sir, is there any tool to generate videos using these platforms?
Yes, sir. For videos also, tools are available. In presentation, I have given link of the video. Otherwise, I'm covering it. I'm telling its name.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
You can use Deep Brain or in video. Deep Brain or
Deep brain in
Deep
video.
Brain. Okay, yes. So I'm pasting its link in chat window also.
Sure, sir.
In chat window, I have shared its link. Simply click on this link and you can explore it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Is it opening? Is this link opening?
Sir, I'm just going through it.
Okay.